Hi, this is Peter Salas with Trust to Vote. I'm going to give you a quick demo, or maybe not so quick demo, of what we've done towards implementing tabulation capabilities in our model implementations. Tabulation features are obviously going to be part of single function devices running our open source code inside of them. So in order to demo this, we have to put a little bit of a fake facade over it, and so what we've done is put those applications and that logic behind a simple web-based pretty face to allow us to show this off. And that's in the form of this tabulator demo.ttvtabulatordemo.mov. Basically what I'm going to show you is how we can generate test data following the formats we've defined so far, and then combine multiple files that would have been generated by multiple optical scanning devices or other means into roll-ups, eventually into reports. Okay, here we go. So the first thing I'm going to show you is, is that if you click on test data, you see a variety of test data files here that I've created before. We are supporting at this point 3 kinds of files. A jurisdiction slate, which basically shows the contests that a particular jurisdiction has running for a particular election, a precinct contest list, which I won't go into too much right now, and a ballot counter total file, which would be what is generated by a ballot counting device. Each of these files are basically text files. We can generate them and use them both as a format called YAML, as well as a format, as well as XML formats. The point being that the external renditions of these particular data files is pretty flexible and not really a cause for worrying too much about, as they can easily be updated to reflect whatever compatibility needs we've got. So let's take a quick look at the jurisdiction slate file. I have here one for you to see. And basically, like all files that we're generating, there's an audit header that has a unique ID, so we can tell files apart and detect duplication when it was created, who it created by, and so on and so forth. And then here we have, for this particular jurisdiction, this particular election, a series of contests. We have here representative in Congress, Supreme Court Justice, and so on and so forth. And if I open up this little triangle, I can actually see that for this particular contest, there goes my phone, but ignore it. For this particular contest, there are 4 candidates, and write-in votes as a possible option. This one I have 4, etc., etc. Here,